with me is REALME GT7, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flowers. Begin by opening Play Store. When you're ready, download free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Now, before you open it, if you wish to mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner after selecting Open. Then hit Consent in the pop-up. If you didn't manage to mute the music in time, you can do it now. Now, to access all of wallpaper settings, click on gear icon at the top left corner here and check out all of those to create a perfect wallpaper. You can check out preview at the top. If you want to try something more interesting, you can also hit presets on the left. Tap on one of those, hit yes, and then adjust all of its settings however you wish to. Now click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper in the pop-up. Hit yes. Tap on Apply To button at the bottom over here and decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options: Lock Screen, Home Screen, or Lock Screen and Home Screen. I will go with Home Screen only. Now, to finally save your wallpaper, hit Apply at the top right corner. Then go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!